Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Baby Toolbox is probably one of the most essential and versatile items a parent can have in their home, offering a convenient and organized way to store and access all the crucial baby care items, from diapers and wipes to creams and pacifiers, ensuring that everything needed for quick changes or soothing moments is always within reach, making those busy parenting days just a little bit smoother and more manageable. Number 5. Melissa and Doug Take-Along Toolkit. Unleash your creativity with this fantastic wooden toolbox. It's packed with everything you need for hours of imaginative building fun. Inside, you'll find wooden nails, screws, and boards with pre-drilled holes. It also includes a child-sized hammer, wrench, and screwdriver. Crafted from sturdy, high-quality wood, this toolkit is designed for durability and endless play. This engaging toy helps develop essential skills like hand-eye coordination, counting, sorting, and problem-solving. Looking for a gift for a preschooler aged 3 to 6? This is an ideal choice for hands-on, screen-free playtime. Encourage active learning and creativity away from screens with this engaging and educational toy. What we like? This is a classic wooden toolbox designed for imaginative building. If you are looking for a durable and educational toy that encourages fine motor skills and problem-solving, this is a great choice. It's perfect for little ones who enjoy hands-on, screen-free play and learning. What people say. The tools are made of sturdy plastic and have smooth edges, making them safe for little hands. It includes a variety of tools like a hammer, screwdriver, wrench, and pliers, which are all realistically sized for toddlers. The toolbox itself is compact and easy for a child to carry around, with a handle that's just the right size. Number 4. 19-piece Kid Sand Toys Set. Get ready for a summer of creativity with this 19-piece sand toy set. It's packed with everything your child needs for beach trips and backyard adventures. Watch their eyes light up with the interactive water wheel. It adds an exciting element of movement and sensory play to their sand creations. With colorful molds and tools, they can dig, pour, and build amazing sandcastles. It's perfect for sparking their imagination and developing fine motor skills. Whether at the beach, in the sandbox, or the backyard, this set provides hours of engaging outdoor play. It's designed for endless fun and exploration. Cleanup and travel are a breeze thanks to the included mesh bag. Keep all the pieces together and ready for the next adventure. This versatile set is suitable for a wide age range, ensuring fun for toddlers and older kids alike. It's the perfect gift for any young explorer. What we like? This set offers a fun and engaging sand play experience with its interactive water wheel. If your child loves playing at the beach or in a sandbox, this is ideal. It provides endless opportunities for creative building and sensory exploration during outdoor adventures. What people say. The toolbox is very sturdy and well-made, with durable plastic that can withstand rough play. It comes with a variety of realistic-looking tools, including a hammer, screwdriver, and wrench, that are perfectly sized for little hands. The toolbox itself has a convenient handle for easy carrying and storage, and the tools fit neatly inside. Number 3. Melissa and Doug Fill and Spill Toolbox. Discover a delightful way to play with this soft toolbox. It's filled with exciting tools for little hands to explore. Inside, you'll find a soft hammer, screwdriver, saw, nails, screws, and blocks. Everything needed for imaginative building and deconstruction. Get ready for extra fun with the vibrating drill. Simply pull the tab to activate its exciting motion. This plush toolbox isn't just for storage, it features a convenient built-in ruler handle for added play value. Ideal for toddlers and preschoolers, it encourages hands-on, screen-free play. It makes a wonderful gift for ages 18 months to 4 years. What we like? This is a soft and engaging toolbox designed for very young children. If you have a toddler aged 18 months to 4 years looking for sensory play and simple tool manipulation, this is perfect. The vibrating drill adds an exciting element for little hands to explore. What people say. The toolbox is made of sturdy, durable plastic that can withstand rough play. It comes with a variety of tools, including a hammer, screwdriver, wrench, and pliers, all sized perfectly for little hands. The tools are designed with safety in mind, featuring rounded edges and no small parts that could be a choking hazard. Number 2. Woby Multifunctional Musical Learning Workbench Toy. Introducing the Woby Multifunctional Musical Learning Workbench Toy. It's a premium construction educational development set designed for little builders. This set comes with 4 shape blocks and 7 realistic tools like a chainsaw, drill, and hammer. It also features 5 wonderful music options to keep playtime engaging. When they use the tools, it makes real tool sounds and the LED lights flash. This encourages imaginative roleplay and boosts their imitative abilities. It includes a convenient drawer for storage. This helps your child learn to collect their gadgets and keep them from getting lost. This activity toy bench lets your baby experience life and exercise their manipulative skills. It's the perfect first workshop playset. An ideal gift for toddlers 18 months and up, it's perfect for birthdays or Christmas. Give the gift of fun and learning with this engaging toy. What we like. This workbench toy set combines tool play with musical and educational elements. If you're looking for a multifunctional toy that introduces shapes, sounds, and basic tool functions, this is a fantastic option. It's designed to engage toddlers and encourage imaginative roleplay. What people say. The toolbox is very sturdy and well-made, perfect for little hands to grip and use. It comes with a good variety of tools that are safe for toddlers, including a hammer, screwdriver, and wrench. The bright colors and realistic design make it engaging for children, encouraging imaginative play and learning about tools. Number 1. Pink Power 18 Portable Toolbox. Introducing the Pink Power 18 Toolbox, designed for easy organization and storage. Its lightweight design makes it perfect for any task. This mid-size toolbox features a dual compartment lid, ideal for keeping both large and small items neatly separated and accessible. It includes a middle tray to help organize your hand tools, while the smooth plastic bottom protects your work surfaces from wear. With a soft grip handle, carrying this toolbox is comfortable and easy. It weighs just under 5 pounds, making it incredibly portable. 2 sturdy metal latches ensure everything stays shut and secure. Plus, a built-in padlock offers added security when needed. This versatile organizer is perfect for crafters and DIY enthusiasts alike. Keep your tools safe, secure, and ready for your next project. What we like. This is a sturdy and portable metal toolbox designed for storage and organization. If you need a durable case to keep tools or craft supplies secure and easily transportable, this is the one. Its locking feature and compartments make it ideal for keeping items safe and organized on the go. What people say. The toolbox is very sturdy and well-made, with plenty of compartments for organizing small parts. My son loves the realistic sounds and lights that mimic real tools, making playtime more engaging. It's a great educational toy that helps develop fine motor skills and problem-solving abilities. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.